In this Keynote tidbit, I'm going to focus on what is known as Instant Alpha. Instant Alpha is a feature in Keynote that allows you to remove colors or white areas from image backgrounds. It's also available for use in Pages and also in Preview on the Mac, and works like the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop or GIMP. The slide has a light blue background to represent a sky. I'm going to have some airplanes fly across that sky, and the sky should include a couple clouds. So I'm going to go to the Shapes palette and choose the circle. And since the clouds are white, I'm going to change that shape to white, and I'm going to make it more oval shape. Then I'm going to take those ovals and hold down the Option key and just make some copies. To form a cloud shape. Select all of those and go to assign it to a group. Then I'm going to hold down the Option key again and just make a couple little side clouds. So with that done, I'm going to go over to choose one of my airplanes. I'll choose this one first of all, and notice that I have this white area around it, and I'm going to look over in my sidebar and I see that I have Format selected with Image, and then I see Instant Alpha. I'm going to choose Instant Alpha. And at the bottom it says click a color to make it transparent and drag to make similar colors transparent. So I'm going to choose the white at the top and at the side and bottom, and I'm going to go done. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to place it down here for now. Then I'm going to go to my second airplane and see that I have a number of colors to remove. And I'm going to go to my Instant Alpha and start with the yellow. And I remove that, and then I'm going to remove the center part. And I'm going to get some of that yellow yet. And click off to the side, and I can see through it. Selecting it again, going to Instant Alpha, I'm going to remove these white spaces. And then lastly, I'm going to get rid of the light blue that you see here. So that'll grab all of those, and then there's a little left behind the propeller, and then there's some left beneath the airplane. And I'm done with that. So now I've got my airplanes looking good, and I want these to move across the screen. So I want them to leave the screen area, and so I'm going to go up to my zoom way up in the upper left hand corner and kick that down to 50% and move these off. And with the first airplane selected, I'm going to go up to Animate, and I'm going to add an effect, and that effect will be a move in. Did you see it zip across? That's because the duration is set to 1 second. Let's slow it down and set that up to 3 seconds. And I want it from the top left to the bottom right. Clicking on the second one, I'm going to add the same effect, a move in effect, and I'm going to slow it down, so I'm going to bump that up to 4 seconds, and being left to right is just fine. Now let's just check that out. I'm going to go back, change it to 100%, and click play. The action starts on click, so I'm going to click. There goes my first airplane. And click again. There goes my second airplane. So, Instant Alpha certainly makes your clip art look a lot better.